How to sell PI token. In today's video, we'll show you how to sell your PI tokens. If you've been mining PI network and are ready to cash out, we've got you covered, so let's jump into the process. First step is to check if the PI network mainnet is live. PI network tokens are still in the testnet phase for many users. Before you can sell your PI, make sure the mainnet is officially launched for your reason. You can check the PI network app for updates. Now, transfer your tokens to PI network mainnet. If you've been mining PI in the app, you'll need to transfer your balance to the mainnet once it's available in your region. Follow the prompts in the app to transfer your tokens. Use the PI network marketplace. PI network might allow you to sell your coins directly through the internal marketplace or through peer-to-peer transaction. Choose the PI network app for any in-app marketplace option. Now exchange your PI tokens on supported exchanges. Some exchanges may start listing PI network coins for trading. You can simply check for listings on popular exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, or other platforms. Once PI is officially launched and supported, simply cash out or swap your PI coins for other currencies. And that's it. Those are the steps you need to follow to sell your PI tokens once they're available for trading.